So, good morning, everybody. Well, I represent the Commission, and I work for DG Research and Innovation. Why is the European Commission funding research and innovation? Because we believe that, and we have the proof, that funding research and innovation brings more jobs and growth and makes more competitiveness. So when these things happens, automatically society benefits. The program that we are funding and is funding this project is called Spreading Excellence and Widening Participation. Therefore, there are different objectives in that. So, as I say, in terms of impact, overall an impact on jobs and growth in general, because we fund research and innovation. But of course, in case of this project, there are also certain scientific and innovation research objectives and renewable, studying on the renewable materials, climate change, energy and efficient building. These are all elements that are called are in the frame of the societal challenges, and more research and innovation in these topics automatically benefit the life of citizens. And there is another objective, as I said, spreading excellence and widening participation. We are focusing in this program these what we call widening countries. Sometimes we call low R&D performing, but rightly today somebody mentioned high potential countries. And this is in fact the main focus of our actions, to make this potential to become even more visible and exploited. So it means that our measures helps in bringing research and innovation and to make it flourish and to exploit the talent that is present in these countries. And in this project, this was happening. In fact, we have the research and innovation capacity and a very good growth potential. We have a very strong partnership. So all the elements that we are looking at in projects in order for it to have a good impact on society, on competitiveness of the country, on development of the economy of the country, were there. So it's not a commission decision when a project is selected. There are 5 independent international experts looking at it. And I can assure you that the evaluation, especially for this type of projects where the Commission is investing, and I say investing, 15 million euros, has been run in a very careful way, extremely transparent, and so the results is not the Commission choosing, but is experts that have considered that in terms of excellence, in terms of potential, and in terms as well of impact, this project is valuable, and that's why it's one of the 10 projects that were selected for funding.